Yeah, that is a huge improvement. Let me be quiet so you can hear it.
All right, I'm Jay, owner of Volunteer Audio in Oliver Springs, Tennessee, and I'm excited about today. So our friend, Traveling Tall, normally the Street Glide rider, has bought a brand new 2023 Road Glide.
I don't know what I was thinking.
Beautiful bike, and you know I'm thinking about buying a Road Glide too. So soon maybe we'll have a video on ours.
Okay.
So I'm doing a huge upgrade on this bike. So previously we did his Street Glide, 2019 Street Glide.
Yes. It turned out fantastic, by the way.
Yeah, so we did upper speakers and we did lid speakers and that. We're gonna do it a little different today. Tall's gonna go a lot more performance on this bike, and he wants to add some lowers, so we're gonna add the SV165 Hertz mid basses in the lowers. We're gonna put some SX165 Neos in the uppers, and a 2,000 watt amp to drive all of it. Flash the radio and have hopefully an amazing result when we're done.
Wow, okay. So guys, I'm excited about this. This is gonna be great. He said it's almost 4 times the power of what's on the Street Glide. The Street Glide sounds good, so I can't wait to hear it.
So also a little different, Tall's already took a ride on the bike and we've recorded the audio of the factory radio with the factory speakers. So many of you reached out and said, we want that comparison where we can tell how much louder is it after the upgrade. So when we're done, hopefully we'll get to do a walk away somewhere as well as another ride and check out just how loud it is while you're going down the road. Compare that to the wind in the engine and see what kind of improvement we get.
Okay, sounds good.
Let's get going.
All right, thanks, Jay.
All right, so I want to quickly go over the list of all the product we're putting in Tall's bike, but most importantly, the first one, we've got his first piece of Road Glide swag. So we've got him a shirt, Volunteer Audio with the Road Glide on it. This is available at our website in like 4 different colors, but I'm excited to give it to him since he's finally made that jump to the Road Glide. We're going to be putting in the big Hertz SP 4.900 plug-and-play amp. So this is an awesome setup that we do at Volunteer Audio. It's completely plug and play. So we plug in behind the factory radio, we run new power and ground back to the battery, and this is going to mount under the radio behind the headlight, and we'll go over and show very quickly how that goes in here shortly. We also have new speaker grills for the upper fairing. They're going to look great. They say Hertz. It's got those plastic grills that just really don't, they just don't look like quality. So we're going to upgrade those. SX165 Neo 6.5s with the tweeter in the fairing, SV165 mid basses in the lower, and some new saddle tramp lowers from Metra. These are vivid gloss black, so they're going to match his bike. We're going to use some plug and play harnessing for that as well, so nothing's going to get cut, no warranties voided, no problems with any future service work and all the future upgrades he's planning on doing. So that was our quick introduction. Let's get this put in the bike. right, so I'm pretty excited.
Me too.
So I had Tall bring his bike out to my church. It's Beach Park Baptist Church. And we've got a pretty good distance that we're going to do a walkaway video here in just a minute. But first I want to tell you and show you again what we've done in the bike. We've added these lowers. So this is an air-cooled bike. So we've added air-cooled lowers with Hertz SP 165 Neos in the lowers. We've done the Hertz new grills. Man, they look so much better than the plastic grills. And we've done the SX 165 Neos 6.5s. Just 4 speakers on the SP 4.900 2,000 watt amplifier from Hertz, all mounted in the fairing, underneath the radio, behind the headlight, all plug and play wiring. Flashed the radio, and I've done some listening to it just in our testing. It sounds great.
Yes, it does.
So, anything you want to add?
Man, listen, on the way over here, guys, you may see a little bit of that clip in his video. It sounded fantastic. Night and day difference as I was riding down the road here. It's playing the same song. It's just definitely different. It's a really nice full sound, and the clarity of it. You can crank it all the way up and you never lose clarity. And that's what I came to expect, because I have Hertz on my Street Glide, and now I have Hertz on this Road Glide, and the biggest difference, this is like 3 times louder than on my Street Glide.
Yeah, so one of the things that allows you to have that clarity all the way to full volume is we flash the radio and we fix some issues with that EQ. But we also set all the gains in that amplifier with a digital distortion detector to make sure we can get full output and stay clean. This is going to make it not only sound better, but it makes the speakers last longer. We're going to get many, many years without blowing speakers, without having to come back over any failures. That's kind of the whole idea. We've been 2 years on that Street Glide. You've played it loud, you've played it a lot of times, and through rain and whatnot, and nothing has failed. Yep. And that's the whole idea of this system as well. At Volunteer Audio, we 3-year warranty all of our Hertz systems. So just like we did this for Tall, you can do this yourself watching our step-by-step videos, but you can also come in and you can visit us and we could install it in your bike as well. And we know 3 years or longer. I mean, I expect it to go 10 years. But a 3-year warranty is unheard of in this industry. Nobody else does it that long. But enough talking about it. We need to listen to it.
Yeah, let's listen to it.
So that's 90 feet, we're coming up on 100 foot, still loud, still clear.
I don't know, but the song's in.
Hey, we're about out of music. About 170 feet right now.
170 feet?
Yeah, I mean, we're coming up close on 200 as we keep walking.
I'm about to run into a truck behind me.
So we're coming up on the 250 foot mark. That's a long ways. That bike is getting tiny.
Yeah. All right.
Yes, the church is here. So look how far it is. All right, guys, that's extremely loud. Seriously. That's a long way. You should not be able to hear it that loud and that clear from this far away. That's the difference right there of a quality radio installed from Volunteer Audio. I don't care, east, west, north, south. I don't care where you live, where you from, what you ride. You need to talk to Jay here. He can send you something by mail, or if you have time, come on down to Tennessee. And there's customers from all over the country coming to Tennessee to get some installs done on their bike. You can too. Make sure you give him a call or visit him online at volunteeraudio.com. I'm happy with it. There is no other place I would take my bike to get done for audio.
We got something special going on this road glide today. We are getting a new sound system installed on this bike. And I wanted to let you know what it sounds like, or let you hear what it sounds like stock as I'm riding. All right, so let's see if we can turn it up right here without getting some kind of ticket. All right, can you hear that? That's like, I don't know if you can hear that or not. It's just those two speakers in the front, and that's two dots all the way from the top. Got the windshield open, my visor open, I mean, on my helmet. Yeah, not really that great, right? I gotta lean up close to it to hear it. So we're gonna improve this a lot today. Not all that clear, kind of distorted. All right, guys, so I just got the radio done. The speakers installed, the lowers put on with the speakers in it, and let me let you hear it as I'm going down the road. Let's go. Yeah, you definitely can hear it a whole lot better now. To the point it's really hurting my ears, it's so loud. Okay, the song's changing. There we go. Yeah, that is a huge improvement. Let me be quiet so you can hear it.
All right, so we're back at the bike. I think it's time to wrap this thing up. It sounded great.
It sounds fantastic. It did.
So we got a lot more presence. We got 4 speakers pointed at Tall, and on a road glide, a lot of times our speakers are actually pointed up, so it's going to be crazy loud to you going down the road.
It is crazy loud, guys. It's extremely loud. We were way on the other end of the parking lot, and you can still hear it so crisp and clear. So, again, I'm really excited about this one. The Street Glide just was mind-blowing, but this one took it up to a whole nother level. It's amazing.
Well, thank you for letting us do what we love to do. Thank you for sharing with other people what we do. So much. It's been a blessing, and I really appreciate it. And I think it's a beautiful bike. I'm so excited to see everything you do to this.
Yeah.
And I think it's going to be awesome to see everything that happens down in Daytona.
Well, yes, and I want to thank you for what you did, man. You made my day. This is a fantastic package that you put together. Just a 4-speaker setup that you've done, and it sounds great. Guys, seriously, call this man. Call him or find him at volunteeraudio.com.
Yeah, you can call us at 1-844-30-AUDIO or go to volunteeraudio.com to see our packages. But we'd love for you to call in, talk to us. We'll discuss your bike, your goals, and we'll put together a package that's perfect for you. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, definitely like it, subscribe to the channel, comment below. We're very quick to reply to you. We'd love to hear from you, so definitely reach back out and call us, 1-844-30-AUDIO, or come make that trip. We're just right outside of the Smoky Mountains. You can ride the Dragon, you can go to the Devil's Triangle, but the beautiful places to visit while you're in Tennessee, getting your audio upgraded.
They can come ride with me.
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah.
Tall's just based out of Knoxville. Maybe you'll run into him at one of these rides.
Oh, yeah.
But thank you so much for watching. We're so blessed to have you. And as always, God bless.